Alrighty guys, YCG here back with another video. We're going to be reacting to a 126-mile-an-hour chase of a stolen police car in the snow, obviously. If you guys haven't already, make sure to check out the original video down below. Make sure to check out KNCJHQ's channel. We have a lot of good content coming in this winter, because obviously the bike season for us is over. We live in a state where it rains literally like 9-10 months out of the year. So sadly it is over, but we have a lot of other stuff coming. Bike flipping.
Yeah,
maybe get into car flipping. We're going to be trying to have a good winter time.
Riding
him because he moved into my house with me. So we have a little like YouTube house type thing. So, alright, but let's get right on into this video. Alright.
Oh, of course, it's a woman.
In Barrington, Illinois, a small town northwest of Chicago, officers were dispatched to a car dealership when a security camera monitoring service discovered 3 to 4 suspicious people on the property. When officers arrived, they had no idea one of the stolen cars would be their own.
Other units can come in off of Dundee Road. They're coming out with a Porsche.
Porsche in the snow is crazy.
Leading with a Porsche, high rate of speed.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Bro did not give a fuck.
Wrecked expensive ass Porsche. There's a fat guy.
And just scratched the shit out of a 50K. Oh, bro is trying to get in the car with him. A 60K Porsche.
190 more Porsches are being stolen. 138, I'm 1060. Can we get Inverness to respond as well?
Hey, Inverness, get into the area, please.
Are you hit?
75 and 73 around.
190, black SUV Porsche headed eastbound on Dundee Road.
And they wrecked a nice Porsche.
There was also another Porsche left south.
Bro was going pretty fast too.
I'm surprised that he got away.
Is he in the car? Are you hurt? You're hurt?
Huh? Sector 136, hold it here. Be careful, 190. We just got a passerby that said the white Porsche at...
What's top over here, road? Just associated with another vehicle. Southbound. He's on our way over there. White Porsche, that's it. He's on
Drifting.
I know, for real.
138, I'm eastbound Dundee, passing Carlisle.
Bro got fucking railed at a high rate of
Yeah.
speed.
Oh, there's that white one.
Far ahead of me.
Idiots.
White Porsche, eastbound Dundee, far ahead of you.
Hey, I got another unit, another Mercedes coming out at a high rate of speed. They're gonna ram the gate.
Bro just, that was the
Dundee Road.
windshield.
They went through the gate, hit my car again, and they're gonna go southbound on Barrington Road. White Mercedes. I know. Just get in your car.
I got 277. Stop the car! Get the hell out of the car! Get out! Get out!
Fucking fat guy again. Tase the motherfuckers.
Bro.
Got people running. At 16.
Or fucking like shoot him in the foot. Don't kill him, but
Get a fucking taser, bro. What is she doing?
there's no but.
Oh my shit.
There's no fucking.
168 just stole my squad car. He's heading toward you, Ryan. Oh my god.
She should not be a fucking cop.
Fuck.
Unload that motherfucker.
Taser.
Pop, 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 pop.
Or fucking shoot him right in the fucking calf.
Why did, she had so
Bro was
he's
already
a
having
big fat
trouble
guy.
just-
He's a big ass fat motherfucker. tase the fucking guy. Like, for fuck's sakes. Or go and fucking, or go and tackle him.
Yeah, like.
She's over here.
Fuck, dude.
Don't go near my car. Don't go near my car. That shit actually made me so mad, bro. You should not be a fucking cop. Idiots.
No.
Complete idiot.
He doesn't even care about the fucking squad car. He's like, dude, I gotta deal with my own shit getting wrecked.
Mm-hmm.
Bro's gonna crash it. He's going way too fast. The guy's trying to pick up the female cop.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to come with you?
They really decided to steal cars at a bad time. All the snow and ice on the road.
Yeah. I'm afraid I'm just gonna see a fucking, like, him wipe out.
Going really fast.
Oh, no.
116, he just stole my squad car. He's going eastbound on Hudson.
Even him's done. Even he's done with it. Her fucking shit.
They're stupid as fuck.
16, we have 2 cars broken down here. I might need other units out here.
Well, you
Motherfucker's
wouldn't need other
whipping
units
it.
if you-
Here's Hit Motorworks. I just got T-boned. They rammed me. I blocked the gate. And a Porsche came flying out. Hit me. Central, 138. Following behind the squad car now.
Oh, he lost it. Oh, he's. Oh, fuck, he's fucked.
Oh. Oh, no. Okay, it's one thing if he would have fucked himself up, but bro just fucked that.
He did not need to go that fast.
Yeah. Bro, he launched both cars into the fucking.
I really hope other people are right. Piece of shit.
Yeah, no. 66 miles per hour and fucking hit the rear end.
Oof. I hope they survived. Fuck that piece of shit in the cop car.
We're at Dundee and Ela.
Yeah. That chick's definitely getting fired after that. Fucking hell.
A piece of shit's running too? Oh my god.
Let me see your fucking hands! Get on the ground, motherfucker!
Well, the fucking shit.
Let me see your hands! Are they okay over here?
I think it's a stolen car. Just make sure, stay back. I don't know if they're armed.
So they've all pretty much wrecked right
She
now.
doesn't
So we're
even
chasing
have her
them all.
fucking gun out and she's like, oh, there's someone in there.
Don't fucking move! You hear me? Don't you fucking move! Don't move! Don't fucking move! You fucking move your gun! Stop! Listen to me! Roll onto your stomach! Roll onto your stomach! Hey! Keep your fucking hands up! Don't fucking move! You understand? Don't fucking move!
Hey, they really picked a bad time to rob a fucking car dealership.
Yeah, no.
Idiots.
Don't move! Why are you moving, dude?
Bro,
He's trying to run? Oh my god. Taser he's a fat fuck. Taser him.
You're gonna get
dude, it's fucking.
Yeah. Yeah, tase the fat boy. It's a shit.
I'm glad I don't live in
Okay,
fucking
thank you, guys.
Illinois, bro, if the cops are like this.
They're terrible.
He did? Is that the person that came out and stole my squad car?
The one that took your car?
Yeah.
There was a second one that went right before that. I'm on your back right now. Don't move.
I'm being told the second unit got out of the car, ran westbound on 68.
I only play too much GTA.
Yeah. Are they just now finally checking?
I really hope they're right.
They're now in custody. Somebody, we have an entrapment. Central 136, can you please send the paramedics to our location? We have one subject.
They're just now
Oh
fucking.
my god.
Dude,
Motherfuckers
these
could be
cops
dead.
suck.
Yeah, these cops are ass.
One subject trapped in the vehicle, 10-4.
Oh, this is a victim?
Yeah.
Their gun pointed at a victim, bro. No, if bro has his wallet on him, he's kind of stupid.
Yeah. Dude, I have no clue. No one right now. Our supervisor's at Motorworks.
He's so fat they have to put extra cuffs on him.
Well, that's cool. Where are you from? Where? I used to be the police there. What streets?
Oh, who's missing? Are we missing the bad guys too with them?
No, we got him. Central 136. The subject is out of the vehicle.
Subject out of the vehicle, 10-4.
All right.
So hold on just one second. So just to be clear, we got one offender in the stolen squad,
Right.
but in custody.
Right, one victim.
And one victim.
And then everybody else at Motorworks.
Who else? Was anyone else with you in the squad?
Yes.
Someone was in the squad with you?
Yes.
Is he in the woods here with us now?
Yes, I ain't have the wood.
We got one still at large, sounds like.
What a piece of shit. What a snitch.
You want to show him?
Bro's a snitch.
He big for sure? Yes.
Is he armed? Has he got a gun?
Black.
You have a gun?
He got a gun. What you got? He got a black hoodie, blue pants.
What?
We got one at large.
Bro.
What kind of homie is this?
Sit up.
The cops suck, the criminals suck.
Sit up like this.
We're at large, westbound, black hoodie, blue pants.
Dude, that's wild.
Oh my god.
He's like when you do a GTA heist and like you hire the cheapest motherfucker.
No, it's like
Big at the woods.
it's like the playing hide and seek. Like, yo guys, they found us.
Oh, that
Motherfuckers. That yo guys,
they
they found all of us. Only found one retard, and then he shows them where everyone's at.
It's like he's like, oh, he's right there, dude. Fucking
My
bro's,
Was he driving or were you driving?
He was driving.
bro's is definitely gonna get fucked up in prison.
He big at the car. He crashed. Alright, what's wrong?
Male dark hoodie, last seen westbound.
I got it. Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, we're gonna stand up. All right, here we're gonna kind of roll aside. Get your knees onto you. Hold on. Get your feet onto you. All right, now come back up. Ready? There you go. All right, we're gonna grab it. Just hold on. I'm gonna search you one more time while you're up. Okay?
You got nothing on you, right?
Got keys down there too.
Pretty one last time. We got enough spots here.
Bro, how can you not stand the cold? You are insulation.
Literally.
And,
Say where the guys at. They
No.
I know they at.
Bro.
Oh my god, big fat man.
What did you say?
All right, you got a taser probe in you, just FYI. So
Yeah, that's gonna be hard. We gotta
Took
go.
him long enough to get fucking tasered.
that way.
It's such a big slope right there.
All right, here, you got him for a second. Hold on.
Booty cheeks are showing. Blurred out.
Did y'all would cook him?
160 on profile of the car.
What? Did y'all would cook him? No. Who I with?
Barrington.
Y'all would cook him there?
Judge, what's that? You're going to Cook County Jail.
Deadass the guy that gives away everyone in hide and seek.
All right, we're gonna get you an ambulance, but we gotta get you up here, man.
He's like, I'll tell you where they're at.
Can you get your legs on you so we can get up? Okay. We're like literally almost there. Look at this. Look. Oh. Okay. Oh, fuck, dude. You're good. You're good. Almost there, bro. Let me grab my squad. He's gonna need an ambulance too, but you don't need an ambulance? Yeah, we're gonna get you checked out regardless. Hello? Have they called you yet? We got a major show. You gotta come in. We got one squad's crashed. We got one guy in custody at least. Multiple one civilian that was involved in the crash.
We're going to shut down.
They're looking for 2 more guys running around town. Hey, can you guys shut this down?
And Harrington and Copstvshow.
Hey, you okay? Wake up, bro. Busy? What's your name?
According to the police report, a review of Motorworks' surveillance footage revealed that 5 to 7 offenders stole many key fobs and began stealing luxury vehicles at 6 in the morning. They were in the middle of stealing their second round of cars when police arrived. 27-year-old Tavarius Jackson was charged with 2 counts of aggravated possession of a stolen vehicle, criminal damage to property, aggravated battery to a peace officer, and aggravated fleeing and eluding. A second suspect,
Nothing about
23-year-old
fucking
Lamont
ramming that
Jackson,
guy.
was arrested 2 miles south of Motorworks after crashing the second Mercedes that fled the lot. He was charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding and possession of a stolen motor vehicle. Both suspects were held on a $100,000 bond, and both suspects were on parole for prior felony convictions. According to the Illinois Department of Corrections, Tavarius received a 4-year prison sentence for 2 counts of burglary and 3 counts of possessing a stolen vehicle. He was released April 2025 and is on parole through spring of 2026. Lamont received 5 years for burglary, aggravated reckless driving, and possession of a stolen vehicle, and is currently serving his time at Pinckneyville Correctional Center. According to the police report, the black Porsche was never located. In all, 5 people sustained injuries in 4 separate crashes caused by the group of thieves, and all involved have made a full recovery.
They didn't just steal once, they came back for
Dude,
seconds.
that is crazy. If you guys ended up enjoying the video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace.